see it, how this market was built by government. So you're free to come here and buy any type of the thing you want, like wearings, wears, as you can see. This is some Dakar market hunt. So you're free to come to this place, buy any type of design you want, any type of wear you like in some Dakar. So we are going across this place. This place was designed by the government. So let's go inside one of these shop, this building, to see the kind of things they are selling inside. This on the car market front once again. Let's go inside the buildings to see the kind of designer they have here. See? Wow. This is where you can have any type of the fashion, any type of the clothes you want in Dakar, Senegal. It was designed by the government, decorated by the government. Let's go up and see how it is. Please, if you have not subscribed and shared this video, subscribe to this platform, share this video. Remember, this is a market hunt in Dakar, Senegal. If you come here, you can buy any type of design, clothes, wears, any type of design you want. I think this is one of the biggest markets built by government. It's like this, it's not working. It's a lifter. It's a lifter. Okay, as you can see here, this is for the tailor. Okay, here is for the tailor. Any type of the designer you want, they can come here. They will sew it for you. As you can see, the dance style of this market, this building, it's only designed for the business. Let us go down once again. So whenever you wish to have the bed design in Dakar, Senegal, you just visit this market, San Dakar Market.